Gratitude for others, a compassion meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit quietly. Allow your body to relax completely. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale softly and let go. Bring your attention to your heart. Feel the gentle rhythm within. Allow yourself to settle into stillness. Notice the support around you. Think of someone who has helped you. Someone who showed kindness to you. Picture them clearly in your mind. Notice how their presence feels. Allow gratitude to rise naturally. Appreciate their care and support. Silently thank them from your heart. Feel warmth spreading through your chest. Breathe gently into that feeling. Let gratitude grow with each breath. Now think of a close friend. Someone who brings light to your life. Notice the joy they have shared. Remember moments of laughter together. Allow appreciation to deepen. Send them silent wishes of happiness. May they be healthy and peaceful. May they feel loved and supported. Rest in this feeling of connection. Take another slow breath. Now think of your family, those who help shape your journey. Remember their efforts and sacrifices. Remember lessons they shared. Allow compassion to fill your heart. Recognize their human struggles. Recognize their hopes and dreams. Offer gratitude for what they gave. Offer kindness for what they could not. Breathe with understanding. Breathe with compassion. Feel your heart becoming softer. Feel your awareness expanding. Think of someone you see often. Perhaps a neighbor or coworker. Notice how many people support life. Often without recognition. Allow gratitude for everyday kindness. Allow appreciation for simple gestures. Feel connected to your community. Notice how lives are interconnected. No one walks alone. Many hearts touch our journey. Many hands help along the way. Pause and honor their contributions. Pause and appreciate their presence. Take a gentle breath in. Exhale gratitude into the world. Now, bring attention to someone struggling. Someone who may need compassion. Picture them surrounded by light. Offer them silent encouragement. May they find strength and hope. May they find peace and comfort. Allow your heart to remain open. Compassion grows through practice. Kindness grows through awareness. Gratitude grows through attention. Feel these qualities within you. Allow them to become stronger. Take another mindful breath. Feel your heart centered and calm. Notice the peace gratitude creates. Notice the healing compassion brings. Allow yourself to receive this peace. Allow yourself to receive this love. You are connected to many lives. You are supported in countless ways. Let this awareness fill your heart. Let this awareness inspire kindness. Think of someone you appreciate today. Silently send them gratitude. Silently wish them well. May their path be peaceful. May their heart be joyful. May their life be filled with love. Feel compassion flowing naturally. Feel gratitude flowing freely. Rest in this beautiful energy. Rest in this peaceful connection. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale gently and completely. Feel calm spreading through your body. Feel warmth filling your heart. Allow gratitude to remain with you. Allow compassion to guide you. These qualities are always available. They grow each time you practice. They strengthen each time you share. Take another gentle breath. Begin returning to the present moment. Notice the space around you. Notice the support beneath you. Bring awareness back to your body. Feel grounded and centered. Carry gratitude into your day. Carry compassion into your actions. Carry kindness into your words. Carry understanding into your relationships. Allow this practice to continue. Long after this meditation ends. Take a deeper breath now. Feel refreshed and peaceful. Feel open and grateful. Thank yourself for this practice. Thank yourself for showing compassion. Gently begin to move your fingers. Gently begin to move your toes. When ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry gratitude and compassion wherever you go.